Good morning, friends. So, this is my third video with respect to Excel, and today we are going to show how conditional formatting will actually work. So, once again, here are 30 students, and they have got marks out of 50, and I want the marks to be in different colors the moment I change this lower limit and this upper limit. So, here they are visible lower limit 20 to 40. So, what I'm expecting from what I'm expecting that when I change the lower limit, upper limit, so numbers which falls within the class interval 2040 must gets pop up with a different color. So let's have a look. I also written the steps over here for easy visualization, for easy understanding. So let's start. Select the data. So here I am selecting the data. So here it is from 1 to 11. Okay, step 1. Step 2, go to condition formatting, and here I am going to condition formatting. Step 3, select new rules and new rules. Okay, I've selected. Now use a formula to determine cell. So use a formula to determine the cell, and the formula to be used is I have already written over here. So equals and bracket open and B6 type B6. B6 is the first. B6 is the in fact B6 is the first cell of this data. Okay, so basics and getter equals greater than equals. So getter equals what? Lower limit. So select the lower limit 20, comma, comma. Is it comma? Yes, it is comma. Once again, comma is this one. And B6, once again, type B6 less than equals. What less than equals? It's upper limit. So upper limit is 40. And now bracket closed. And now what we are required to do, go to format. Here I'm selecting the format and then color. Choose any color of your liking. So I'm taking this color and then OK, and then press again OK. And here are the colors. See, it has popped out the 20 to 40. So these are the numbers which has popped up in green color. And if I'm changing this lower limit 20 to 10, so what will happen? And enter, see, more colors will visible. And if I'm doing it for 20 to 30, then something will diminishes. Okay, and see that it is working. So I hope you will enjoy this working of the condition formatting. It's an amazing tool where you can have all the figures popping up uh, at the press of a single enter. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Do watch more videos and take care of. Thank you.